Welcome dear students. Now I am going to discuss about the voice change of assertive sentence in case of past perfect tense. First of all, we have to identify the subject, verb and object. I had called him. I subject had called. It is the MV3 main verb third form or past participle form of the main verb. Him, it is object. John had taken my pen. John subject had thereafter taken, it is MV3 main verb third form or past participle form of the given verb. Thereafter my pen, it is object. Now we have to identify the tense of the verb. Had plus MV3, had plus MV3, that means past perfect tense. And past perfect tense means when we will change voice, had will come and thereafter perfect means been will come. Now I am changing. Look at me. Look at the board. Passive voice. First one, I had called him. Him changed to subject he. Thereafter had and thereafter been. Perfect means been. He had been. Thereafter called. Called, it is MV3 main verb third form. Thereafter by. He had been called by me. Now he changed to subject, him changed to subject he. Thereafter past perfect, that's why had perfect, that's why been everywhere. All perfect takes been. Thereafter called, he had been called, it is MV3 main verb third form. Thereafter by preposition and thereafter I changed to me object. I had called him, he had been called by me. Similarly, second sentence, John had taken my pen. My pen, object changed to subject. Thereafter past perfect, that's why had been. My pen had been. Thereafter taken, MV3. Taken, it is MV3. My pen had been taken by preposition and thereafter John. Thereafter John, it is object. John had taken my pen. My pen had been taken by John. Now look here. If this is an assertive affirmative sentence. If this assertive affirmative sentence is changed into negative, that means if the assertive sentence is in the negative structure, negative form, then not is placed just after had in both active and passive voices. That means if the sentence is I had not called him, if the sentence is John had not taken my pen, then in passive voice he had not been called by me. My pen had not been taken by John. That means if the assertive sentence in present perfect tense is in the negative structure, then we have to place not just after had in both active and passive voices. In this way, we can change assertive sentence, affirmative, negative both in past perfect tense, active to passive voice. That means in past perfect tense, we have to use had and been, thereafter MV3. And if the sentence is negative, had not been. In this way, we can change past perfect tense from active to passive voice.